Hey guys, it's Brandy, Cedar, Abilene Redheaded Realtor with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Stovall Realtors. And welcome to my listing of new home construction at Elm Creek at Wiley, 6818 Cedar Elm Drive. Let's take a look. So we have a wrought iron door here. It's 8 foot tall. There's solid flooring everywhere throughout the house. There is no vinyl. It's all tile, and then pavers here. So you have your backpack nook, your laundry room. Also in this entrance, you have crown molding. You come in here to the family living space. It's open to the kitchen with a wood-burning fireplace and gas starter. These very nice windows and double crown molding throughout the space in here. This house will have 2-inch forward blinds throughout, included in the house. So here's kind of a little 360. It's a split floor plan. This way is the master. It's a nice big bedroom. Lots of lights. This is a king size bed in here currently. And this goes into the master bath, which will have a barn door on it, large soaking tub, tile flooring, granite counters, 2 separate sinks, which I think is very nice, especially when you're married. And then here's the other one. You'll notice all of the cabinets have hardware on them. Not all homes do that, but the hardware, framed mirrors, and the shower is pretty much to die for. It will have a frameless shower door on there, but your soaking tub, and then your closet. Just nice and big. You can organize stuff on your pegboard, and what is that? An outlet, so you can plug in your electronics or whatever thing that you might like to do. So let's head to the other side. So of course this is where we came in. Open kitchen to the living and dining. There's lights above and below. The cabinets, custom built. Again, they all have hardware on them. Beautiful granite countertop. There's the dining area. All this has crown molding details above the doors. You can see the detail there. All stainless steel appliances. Also, the home will come with a fridge in the price that is listed, which is $307,900. So we have a microwave, oven, and a 5 burner gas stove that is vented to the outside. Super nice because it has drawers. Like I said, under counter lighting, above counter lighting, walk-in pantry, and then here's the island. So you can just be hanging out here, talking to your family, and it's beautiful. Again, there'll be a fridge that comes here. Now this hall comes to the other full bath with 2 sinks in it and 3 bedrooms. So let's go down this hall. Here's a full bathroom. Again, it has framed mirrors, beautiful granite, all the cabinets and drawers with the hardware, additional lighting, storage. And you have your tub, here, of course, and shower. It's the additional towel on the top so as not to get water behind the wall. Very nice. Yeah. Then bedrooms. I'm gonna spend much time. All the bedrooms have ceiling fans. Closets, of course. Here's another bedroom that has a queen size bed in it, so kind of give you an idea of the size. This is on the front of the house, so it's got a lot of light. And all the bedrooms are already equipped with cable and electrical outlets on all the walls. And of course, here's the closet. There's 2 doors. And opening that, I opened up this one already. This is additional storage in the hall for linens and things. And the last bedroom, the 4th, is another bedroom that's on the front. A little dark in here the way the light is right now, but that's a little shot of the pool that's in the community that started, and the closet there. So, if you'd like to know more, please contact me. I would love to show you this house, or I can do any kind of virtual tours or whatever it is. So don't wait, contact me. Brandy Cedar, Abilene Redheaded Realtor.